Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this griddle below at a great price, so check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the Blackstone 1883 original 28-inch Omnivore griddle with hood, and this is currently Amazon's choice, with over 1,000 units sold in just the past month, so it's clearly become a go-to pick for outdoor cooking. Let's talk capacity first. This griddle gives you 524 square inches of cooking space, which is genuinely a lot of room, enough to cook up to 21 burgers or 15 pancakes at once, so whether you're cooking for a small family breakfast or a full backyard crowd, it's built to keep up. It's also genuinely versatile. This isn't just for burgers, you can make breakfast foods, traditional barbecue, or even gourmet grilled cheese, all on the same flat cooking surface. The Omnivore Griddle Plate itself is a real upgrade too, giving you quicker preheat and recovery times, more even heat distribution, and better fuel efficiency, meaning it needs fewer BTUs to hit and hold your ideal cooking temperature. It also has built-in wind guards, which keep hot air in and cool air out, so outdoor conditions don't mess with your cooking. Cleanup is handled through Blackstone's patented rear grease management system. You just push food debris and grease toward the back, where it collects in a removable grease cup, so cleanup after cooking is genuinely simple instead of a whole ordeal. You also get counter-height side shelves on both sides, giving you real prep and serving space at a comfortable working height, which makes a noticeable difference when you're actually cooking a full meal instead of just one thing at a time. For convenience, it comes with an integrated hood to protect the griddle top when it's not in use, 2 wheels for easier maneuvering, and electric ignition, so starting it up is quick and simple. And with 2 independently controlled H-style burners, you can run one side on lower heat and the other on higher heat at the same time, so you can cook multiple parts of a meal simultaneously without one item overcooking while you wait on another. This model runs on propane, comes with a 1-year limited warranty, and is currently the 2024 model. Overall, if you want a genuinely spacious, efficient griddle that makes group cooking and cleanup easier, the Blackstone 1883 28-inch Omnivore griddle with hood is a really strong pick for anyone who cooks outdoors regularly. I'll leave the link to this Blackstone griddle in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.